Hello, in this video I want to show you how to sell items in Path of Exile Trade website. And to do this, first thing you'll need to do is to open microtransaction in your Path of Exile, and you'll need to buy any quote premium stash tab. So we can upgrade any already existing stash tab to premium one or buy entirely new one. Now when you already bought one, you can go for your stash, then open this specific tab and place the item you want to sell. Then right click on that item, here in a pop-up select exact price, pick the currency you want to get for that item, in this case let's go for a chaos orb, and now enter the price. Click on OK, and right now the item is available in POE Trade, so you can buy it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.